There are many products available to choose camping chairs, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best camping chairs from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. ALPS Mountaineering King Kong. The ALPS Mountaineering King Kong is our favorite camping chair, and one of two we deem the most comfortable. The King Kong has consistently been the first chair snagged whenever our test team gathers around a campfire. The slightly padded fabric makes it ideal for long lounging sessions, and the seat itself is exceptionally roomy, if a bit slouchy, with an incredibly stable frame. The listed weight capacity is 800 pounds, and as a result, the reinforced fabric is very durable. Testers appreciated all of the functional storage features, including 2 cup holders, 2 side pockets, and an additional small pocket behind the headrest. The setup of this chair is super simple and only takes a matter of seconds. All this comfort and added reinforcement come at a cost. With extra features comes several extra pounds, making the King Kong one of the heaviest single-person chairs in our lineup. Number 2. GCI Outdoor Comfort Pro. The GCI Outdoor Comfort Pro is a simple chair that offers solid performance for less than you might expect. It has a fairly tall seat and back to match widely splayed arms, offering plenty of space to sit high above the ground. It's not the most supportive seat we tested, but it's above average among its competition, leaving slouchy folding sports chairs in the dust when it comes to supporting your full weight. The angled back continues that level of support without making you feel like you're collapsing in on yourself the longer you sit. A mesh panel keeps air flowing across the spine even on a hot day, while a single cup holder perfectly fits your favorite refreshing 12-ounce canned beverage. Unfortunately, there's nowhere to stash your favorite oversized tumbler on the Comfort Pro. Furthermore, there are no large pockets for snacks, magazines, or books, just one small pocket that's sized to hold your smartphone. Number 3. Yeti Trailhead. If you're looking for a luxurious camp chair to enhance your glamping experience, look no further than the Yeti Trailhead. This ultra-durable and ergonomic design features maximum comfort, making our testers want to trade this camp chair for their office chairs. The FlexGrid fabric is supportive of the body, while also allowing for breathability due to the perforated material. Everything about this chair speaks to luxury, from the intuitive and easy setup to the crossover style, which enhances stability and sturdiness. The carry bag is thoughtfully designed and features not 1, but 2 straps, allowing for options depending on how far you need to carry. Even the zipper on the carry bag is heavy-duty and designed to last. Unfortunately, this chair is large and weighs 13.3 pounds, and the price tag is a bit shocking. However, our testers are certain you won't be disappointed in this investment if you want to purchase something for the long haul. Number 4. Kelty Low Loveseat. The Kelty Low Loveseat amazes us with its incredibly comfortable 2-person design. This model was very stable, with a lower seating height than most traditional camping chairs. While the feet of our shorter testers rested comfortably on the ground, Kelty also makes a version that's several inches taller. Made of durable materials, this chair can stand up to the trials of seating multiple people and even dogs for extended periods. After 3 straight years of regular use and some severe sun exposure, it's fading a bit, but is still as comfortable as the first day we got it. This chair has grown on our lead tester the longer she has owned it, a credit to its impressive longevity and comfort. Aside from the overall size and weight, our biggest complaint was how popular the Low Loveseat was with our friends, leaving us less time to enjoy its outstanding attributes. Number 5. Helinox Chair One. The Helinox Chair One is the lightest and most packable camping chair that we tested. The perforated polyester seat material helps lighten the load of the design, as well as provide more comfort on hot summer days, thanks to increased breathability. Our testing team found themselves reaching for this chair when space was limited, or we needed to be conscious of every ounce on a backcountry jaunt. Although this design doesn't offer the comfort of padded material or armrests, we're confident the durable design will make up for it in overall packability. Measuring 14 inches long and weighing only 2 pounds, the Chair One is the standard when it comes to lightweight and compact performance. If you're on a tight budget, the GCI Outdoor Comfort Pro is a great pick featuring armrests, but it's not nearly as lightweight. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make you life much more easier.